Good morning, guys. I hope you're all well. 4th of November, just getting stuck into the European session here, and lots to talk about. You've had a decent push to the upside. If you see my chart on the top right, the DAX and European markets generally have had an okay open, having been down around testing yesterday's lows initially. We've now rebounded, new highs for the session, and just testing the afternoon high from yesterday, but it's all within the range. If you look on the left, you've got the S&P. It's all within the kind of ranges of yesterday. It's all about consolidating what was a stellar end to last week after the Bank of Japan's stimulus move. As Will was saying earlier, the big move of the session, well, yesterday and indeed today, is this big breach of the $80 handle on crude oil and big drive lower the day, almost 77 bucks now. Just looking at this on a weekly chart, this is a very, if I could say very a few more times I would. This is an incredibly important technical level. It's the 2012 low. I've got it at 77.28 on my continuation chart on WTI crude. So clearly this is a target that a lot of people have been looking for, the 2012 low. We do have a target just below that, which is the 2011 low, and that's down just around the 75 handle. So, bang on $75. So that's, there is scope for this market to continue lower, and 75 is an equally important, if not more important, technical support area on the long term than the one we're testing right now. But having said that, this level is important. Of course, the Saudi Arabian move to cut their wholesale prices to the US yesterday, helping with this. Of course, they did raise their prices to Asia, by the way, so we've actually seen a widening of the spread between WTI and Brent as a result, but it's the cutting of their prices to the US that's led to WTI prices on the slide, and it was a very nice technical breakout yesterday, technical breakout of last week's low, and we're down on more than 2-year low, 30-month lows here almost, as we test that key price point from 2012. So that's something that's certainly getting a lot of attention this morning. But what I want to do now is go through the data calendar and talk a bit about the week ahead, and see what we've got coming up today and how we might want to negotiate. And as ever, if you'd like to get access to the full briefing, then click on the link to check out the Amplify-Live service. Thanks.